In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic renewal for your Xbox Game Pass. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To properly turn off automatic renewal and ensure that you don't get paid or billed every month, all you have to do is go to www.microsoft.com and sign into your account where you want to cancel the Xbox Game Pass subscription. After you are properly signed in, you can either scroll all the way down until you see this option, Account Profile, under Microsoft Store, or click on your icon and then select My Microsoft Account. After you select Account Profile, you will be redirected to this page, where you may now select the Services and Subscriptions option at the top of the page. In here, you will have all of your currently active subscriptions, including, of course, the Xbox Game Pass one. As you might notice, my account does not have an Xbox Game Pass subscription active, but yours should be listed over here. All you have to do, as I'm showing you on screen, is to select it and then select Manage. And within Manage, you will either have the option to cancel the subscription altogether or modify it however you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off automatic renewal for Xbox Game Pass. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.